Hi guys, welcome back for another epic video. Guess what I'm going to do today? I'm going to do an updated Gungo peas soup, guys. I can't wait. Yeah. So you know, we have to have our meat, a piece of salt meat, and some fresh beef. So both of them are beef. One salt, one fresh. We soaked the salted one from overnight. You know, the brighter color one was a salted one, and soak it out and wash it. Wash them with some vinegar and water. Alright, and clean them up. Yeah, I have some dry gungo peas, guys. And here are some garlics. I'm going to crush up some garlics and put some pimento seeds. So the garlic and the pimento are going to cook, get soup flavor from beginning of the process. Yes. We have some corn. Yeah, turn up the thing, you know. We have coconut milk. We have skeleton thyme, green pepper. You know what, you can't pass with dumpling, you know, guys. Or we for have pea soup without some cornmeal dumpling. Tell me what you know. Yeah. I have sweet potato, I have yellow yam. Guess, guys, tell me what is this? This. Comment down below and tell me. And I'll tell them. Yeah. So come, guys. Come along with me. I'm going to put this together. And we can have some Saturday soup or Sunday. Saturday, Sunday, any day of the week. Come. I'm going to set up this. And we're going to put in our peas. We're going to put the peas and the meat together. Right? Yep. This is the salt meat and this is the fresh one, but guess what? I'm not putting the salt right now. Right? I'm just going to make everything cook first and see how the salt, is the salt perfect or not. Can't put salt at this point because we don't want a salty soup, you know, guys. You understand? I know we Jamaican, so we cut our skeleton long way when we cook our soup and rice and peas. Who do that? Who do this like how me do it? Yeah. So, put a piece of thyme, water. Now put a lot now, just now wait until it boil up and then we just cover everything. The amount of water, cook the peas and the meat, and then we use coconut milk and a little more water to cook everything and get some soup. So let me just cover down this, let it boil up, and then we'll come back and show the right amount of water to cook the meat and the peas. Okay? Yes. So guys, what I'm gonna be doing now, put the right amount of water now to cook the peas and the meat. Yep. So now, as I said already, I'm not gonna use any salt as yet. Yes, so the peas now it will sink. All the peas will cook one time. So guys, I'm gonna close on this for about 25 minutes. And I will check in back. Alright? Mysterious food, ground pepper jar. I know plenty of people know this still. So, I'm just gonna peel them. I'm just gonna peel them and just put them in some water. Place them in some water. You don't want them to get brown. You know, you don't want them oxidized. Even though them still come back to the right color, you know, when you put them in the pot, you know, finish, cook. Them come back to them right color, but, you know, we just place them in some water. No, I'm gonna eat this. Years now I'm gonna eat this. It's nice though. It's nice in a pea soup. Yeah, man. thing now. Sweet potato.
Sweet potato is a must in your pea soup for me. So be careful of the knife, you know. Be careful. The potato you look yellow, do like it like dry and nice. Sweet potato. Guys, tell me if you're gonna stay like me. When I cook pea soup, I want to wash out in the belly and make sure that you're well hungry and sure. Let me cook red pea soup or gungo pea soup, you know, guys. We're not eating, you know. I make sure I cook early. Yeah, man. This is the one now that I'll be careful with that one here, that yellow and I'm scratching, guys. So can't too. As you peel this, you have to just wash your hand. You finish peel it, just wash your hand same time. Cause the scratch. It's pretty though. I hope it dry and nice. I'm never seen for chilani yam or you know, say chilani yam really nice for true in a real life. Yeah, man. So now, just take your time, go down with it. Take your time. Alright. So now let's finish peel everything and just come back. Alright, guys? Yep. Yes, guys. So I am back. So the peas cook. Peas cook, guys. Peas cook. You see them burst up? You see them burst? You know, so you're alright. And for the meat, you know, so fork can go through it, so you know, so you're good. Okay? Yeah. So then, so all of them scallion and them thingy, we just get rid of this. And them don't cook out already, and them not use again. So them wildered. All the time can come out. This is the job, man. So if anything and you know the final round now when you put in everything, guys, and you taste your pot as always. So I put in all my food. So we're just gonna take some coconut milk now. I'm not gonna use any more water. Just put in some coconut milk. So this is a packed coconut powder. I'm gonna use some warm water. You know, when you use the warm water, you get up the flavor. You can use the coconut milk from scratch. But when you're lazy sometimes, you just go the easier way. Yeah. So, I'm going to season up back. I'm going to put a piece of scallion and wash them already and everything. And take my time. And the corn. Corn, them not tough. The corn, them are some soft corn. Yeah. Over here, I'm gonna make my dumplings. Yeah, put them in. When it starts boil up though, you know, when it starts to boil, when it starts boiling, good, we just come back and put in a nice cornmeal dumpling, guys. We are back. So I'm gonna put in my dumplings. Just put it, it look pretty yellow or orange. So now just make some dumplings and make them big. Okay, I'll make some spinach. Can make some round ones. Oopsie. So guys, if we just get in all of them dumplings here, make them and put them in, I will come back. I can go and cook them for another 15 minutes. Alright? And so we'll reach from there. So alright guys. So what I'm gonna be doing now, guys, taste for salt and crush up some of the sweet potato. And crush out some of them sweet potato here. A piece of this. I'm tell in the comment, I want to tell me is what that grown provision here. So what I'm gonna do, just crush up some of them here. Another piece. I'm going to cut up some of them small too, you know. So then, I just my little thing this for me, don't forget my soup. Thick and nice, you know. Yeah, thick and rich. Yeah, I might just boil out. Sweet potato give it a nice flavor too, you know. Yes. All right. So now we can taste for salt. Taste for salt. So guys, we want some salt. So we put about a quarter teaspoon. We can't put the salt before certain time, you know, guys, because you know the salt meat. So we have to be careful. We don't want a lot of salt. We don't want our food to be too salty. Okay guys, so now don't come about this. It's coming, see that? It's coming. It's coming up. Yes, you know, I'm gonna eat this. Ooh! Alright. So guys, we are finished. Finish. Perfect. And you see it laying off the asking, you see body, you see soup, you see consistency guys. Look at this. Turn it off. Alright, so you can't even wait, you know guys, I'm really wash out my belly for this, you know. Wash out my belly, so I'm gonna just shear out. I have yam, I have dumpling. This one, tell me in the comment, what is this guys? Alright. Guys, so this is the final dish, the gungo pea soup. Updated gungo pea soup. You know them way because a month now I don't cook a gungo pea soup, so I just say, you know what, I'm just do one for my vlog and video and thing. So thanks again for watching. Please give me a thumbs up. Today's shout outs are going to two people. Janet Cunningham, yay guys, thanks for always commenting. Thanks for always watching my video, and Fruit Stir. So thanks again guys. Thanks for always coming back. So guys, always remember shout out at the end of every video. Just subscribe to the channel, turn on the bell, and just comment. Alright, so thanks again and bye.